Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. It is used to enter data into a computer and it is similar to a typewriter keyboard. Most of the keyboards have 80 to 110 keys, including typing, alphanumeric keys, a numeric keypad, function keys, control keys. Typing, that is alphanumeric keys. The typing keys include the letters of the alphabet, generally laid out in the same pattern used for typewriters, which include same letter, number, punctuation, and symbol keys. A numeric keypad. The numeric keypad is the most recent addition to the computer keyboard. It is handy for entering numbers quickly. The 17 keys are grouped together in a block like a conventional calculator or adding machine. Functional keys. Keys that act as shortcuts for performing certain functions, such as saving files or printing data. Function keys usually are lined along the top of the keyboard, labeled F1 through F12. A program is capable of not only using individually each of the function keys, but also combining the function keys with the Alt or Control key. For example, Microsoft Windows users can press Alt plus F4 to close the program currently active. Control keys. These keys are used alone or in combination with other keys to perform certain actions. The most using control keys are Insert, Home, Page Up, Page Down, Delete, End, Control, Windows key. Some of the frequently used key combinations are Ctrl plus F4 to exit, Ctrl plus A to select all, Ctrl plus C to copy, Ctrl plus V to paste, Ctrl plus B to bold, Ctrl plus S to save.